welcome to KidzByte TV. I am Atharv Chaskar, student of grade 4 from the Cambria International School, Kalyan. Today I am going to talk about my favorite hobby, that is playing chess and its benefits. Hobby is a kind of recreation activity which makes us more relaxed and amused. I play chess with my friends, cousins and with my father. It's a checkmate, I won! Playing chess keeps me delightfully indulged. My favorite chess players are Vishwanathan, Anand and Hampi. Chess is one of the oldest games in the world. So, there are countless benefits of playing chess. Let's see few of them. First, chess helps us focus. If a chess player makes 30 moves like a grandmaster and gets distracted on the 31st move, he may lose the game. Chess demands total concentration. Second, develops imagination and creativity. So, chessboard is your canvas to express your creativity. You can express your creativity in the type of moves, plans and tactics. Third, chess develops problem-solving skills. Chess can help you think ahead, not rush your decisions, and weigh the pluses and minuses of your choice. Fourth, chess exercises both sides of your brain. When playing chess, your brain will be challenged to exercise logics, develop pattern recognition, make decisions both analytically and visually, and test your memory. Fifth, chess helps you learn how to be calm under pressure. You have to be intensely focused and at the same time have to be remaining calm so that your brain can work to its maximum. Note that being calm and confident is the path to the victory. Sixth, chess teaches you independence. You have to take important decisions on your own. Chess is cheap. You don't have to buy any big or fancy equipments to play chess. Finally, chess brings enlightenment. Scientists also claim that playing chess can improve mental age by up to 14 years. So why wait? Let's us all play chess. Thank you.